So Shard Credit Partners is a new alternative finance provider seeking to lend to borrowers operating in the lower mid-market in the UK. We are looking to speak with companies that generate earnings before interest, tax, depreciation and amortization, or EBITDA, of above £1 million sterling and up to £5 million. And they could be seeking borrowings for a variety of reasons, and that may be to facilitate a change in ownership or a management buyout, or they may be seeking to make an acquisition of a competitor to increase their business size, or they may be looking for capital expansion facilities to be able to grow the business through increasing factory size or increasing headcount, or invest in a new product line, for instance. So Shard Credit Partners is seeking to lend to companies in the UK lower mid-market, and that's defined as companies that have between 50 and 250 employees and are seeking to grow either through investing in new machinery or new products, or they want to grow headcount, or even potentially make an acquisition to expand their business. So we're looking to speak with business owners who may want to expand through growth, or in some instances they may be seeking to retire and they want to sell their business on to their senior management, and we can facilitate that in a management buyout. And we can also provide facilities to enable acquisition of competitors or target companies by businesses, so that they can expand in that way as well. So we have a very flexible approach to lending, and it's not a one-size-fits-all type model. What we're really looking to do is help business owners facilitate their plans for growth and expansion in the UK lower mid-market. So one of the key areas that we differ from banks is in our flexible approach. So we don't try to implement a one-size-fits-all approach to lending. We're able to structure our debt to suit the particular cash flow or asset requirements of the business in question. So we can provide senior secured unitranche loans, which are bullet structure, so there's no amortization. What borrowers typically find with borrowing from banks is that post the credit crisis and with all the increased regulation and capital adequacy rules under Basel 3 and 4, banks are not very keen to lend permanent drawn term debt, so they are more focused on providing heavily amortizing or even revolving credit facility type loan structures. We can actually provide 5-year bullet term loans with no amortization. We can provide flexibility in how they pay their interest, so that it can be a mixture of cash pay interest and accrued or pay in kind interest. And because of that flexible approach, we enable the borrower to free up their cash flows to be able to invest in their business and increase headcount, or perhaps expand their facilities by increasing their factory size or whatever it is. And so that's really the main difference. Shard Credit Partners has a website, which is shardcreditpartners.com, and there is an email address which is info@shardcreditpartners.com, and we would encourage any SMEs that are seeking finance for any reason, be it to facilitate a change in the shareholder ownership, or to facilitate a management buyout, or for growth or expansion. We would encourage them to get in touch with us, and then we can start a dialogue.